Hey everybody, I have a Stihl FS85 that wouldn't start this year, so I determined there was no spark. You can take the spark plug out and rest the side of it, the threads right here. As you crank it, you should be able to see a spark. If not, you don't have a spark. I didn't have a spark, so I put a new ignition module on there, which is this piece here, and it still wouldn't start, so I put a new carburetor on there because this one was gummed up, plus it needed a new primer bubble. This one's cracked, so I got a new carburetor. That was only $30. And when I gapped the ignition module, I don't have a feeler gauge, and it's supposed to be anywhere between 8 and 12 thousandths. So I used a piece of this cardboard from the carburetor box, which is probably about 12 thousandths, or between 0.25 millimeters and 0.3. So you just take those out. There's two magnets there. Make sure you make them even. There's one under here, and then there's one there you can obviously see, and starts right up. And works like a champ.